Hello everyone, my name is Amit and in this video we are going to learn concept of HCF and LCM. HCF, which is highest common factor, is also known as GCD, which is greatest common divisor, and LCM is least common multiple. Now HCF or GCD of two or more integers which are not equal to 0 is the highest integer which divides all of them, and LCM of two or more integers is the least integer which is divisible by all of them. Now let's understand this concept with the help of an example. Find HCF and LCM of 15, 25 and 45. Now let's find HCF. We will write 15, 25 and 45 as product of its prime factors. So 15 can be written as 1 into 3 into 5. 25 is 1 into 5 into 5 and 45 is 1 into 3 into 3 into 5. For HCF, we will select integers which are common in all three. As you can see, 1 is common in all three. Now, next integer is 5, which is common in all three. So, HCF will be product of 1 into 5, which is 5. Now, let's find LCM. Now, for LCM also, we will write 15, 25 and 45 as product of its prime factors. Now, let's find integers which are common in all, that is 1. Next integer is 5. Now, there are no other elements which are common in all three. So, we will find out elements which are common in any two of the numbers. As you can see, 3 is common in 15 and 45. Now there are no other common elements, so we will select left out elements, that is 5 and 3. So LCM will be product of common as well as uncommon elements, that is 1 into 5 into 3 into 5 into 3. The color underline will indicate how they got selected. So LCM comes to 225. Let's solve another example. Find HCF and LCM of 18, 24 and 36. First we will find HCF. Now we will split 18, 24 and 36 as product of its prime factors. For finding HCF, we will find elements which are common in all, that is 1. Next element is 2. Next element is 3. So HCF will be the product of common elements, that is 1 into 2 into 3, which comes to 6. Now let's find LCM. We will again split 18, 24 and 36 as product of its prime factors. Here again we will select common integers in all three, that is 1. Next is 2. Next is 3. Now there are no other common elements which is common in all three, that is 18, 24 and 36. So we will select elements which can be common in any two of them. As you can observe, 3 is common in 18 and 36 and 2 is common in 24 and 36. Now there is a left out element 2 which is in 24, so we will select it. So LCM will be product of common as well as uncommon elements. Now the product comes to 72. Let's understand with the help of another example. Find HCF and LCM of 5, 7 and 11. We will split 5, 7 and 11 as product of its prime factors, that is 1 into 5, 1 into 7 and 1 into 11. Now for finding HCF, we will select common in all three, that is 1. So in this case HCF will be 1. Now for finding LCM, we will select prime factors which are common in all, that is 1. Now there is no other common element, so we will select uncommon ones, that is 5, 7 and 11. So LCM will be 1 into 5 into 7 into 11, which comes to 385. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching this video.